Come with me and let's try following our goats. It's another good day. The goats are very clean, by the way, and I hope you can see them. Oh, I've put my tripod to be very high. So we are grazing and you're following me in grazing today. You see how white my goats have become, like that one. At least right now, after changing the goat structure, the goats are doing very well, very white. See, you see them? They're loving it, if we must say. And this is a sheep. It's also it's kind of getting cleaner. I think the goats are more clean than the sheep, but just look at the sheep and how well they are doing. You see how sheep browse, like sheep can eat anything. It's even easy to raise sheep than to raise goats, because sheep can eat anything. You see, even the vegetation is very low and they can still nibble or get some food out of it, and yet the goats have gone over there to feed on the green stuff. And then we have a few young ones. Let me see if I can be able to show you that. Okay, the sun is too hot. It's too hot over here, but let me just follow them for a while. But can you see the cows there? They're doing so well. Yesterday we had a guy, a veterinary, a guy who looks after animals. We did a few shots for both cows and goats, and I'm hoping that everything will be okay in the coming future, because we had some diseases. There's that small sheep with its mother, and that's the other one. I don't know if you can see it. With the mother. So far we have about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 sheep. We started with 3 and right now there are 8. So we are moving well. I think that's like a good steady. And there's one goat over the fence. You see how white the goats are? See how they have become, how white they have become. These ones, they're very white. So that's the color, that's the ideal color. If you look at my earlier videos, they were very dirty because of the structure that we had before I constructed the new one. It was the flat structure, had a lot of manure, the pee and all that. Right now we have a raised structure, and that's why you can see they have become clean over time. It hasn't been easy, like one off, but they have become very clean after a few weeks. I think right now they are clocking a month. Watch having that. And there's that. You see that goat? Yes, that one. One of the big bucks is outside the fence feeding very nice pasture over there. We don't like them to feed on that pasture because in the middle of the year, July, we are going to cut it off and store it, so it's not for feeding. Here you have to be very cautious about feeds. It gets very dry over time, and you find that you're not able to give them enough feeds. Okay, so let me do this.